kids them probably know. Some one of them know. That's the reason why you probably was having private car taking them to school. Because probably scared they kidnap his kid. You know?
Yes, and the boy,
you know, when people
the boy,
that's why the kid has say bored. Sorry.
Yeah.
Go on talk.
Yeah, me know there was something. Remember when baby ever said that, Mr. You never
and then I want about it.
Mr. You never harm them.
And then I want about it. That's why the kid has say bored.
Yeah. Right. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, this
because the kid said bored, so obviously them keep telling the kid not talk to nobody, not a friend. Nobody.
Right.
And they know the name.
Right.
They know the name. They know the name of who the child who Jayden said, they know the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us they know the name. Especially that boy, they know the name.
Yeah.
1,000,000% he know the name.
He know everything.
We just see Shanda, moderator, I see Shanda look why.
Remember him come said the little boy dead, you know. Remember him said that, you know, unalive, you know. The little boy unalive, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
yes.
So that time out clean.
Come here and say, oh, this man know him dead and nobody don't know yet.
Yeah.
Oh, him know.
Yeah.
Him say Uncle God alone. Him say Uncle God alone can help the case.
Yeah, he say Uncle God alone. That's what I'm saying. Because he know them lock everything tight.
And what happened?
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember? You know.
Yes.
It's not how him there behave and something like, you know. Like I don't know, say fire
and
that
that's what
tail,
I
you
say.
know.
Him come give only one thing that day, cause if he never, it's if he never come. Yes. And him come give only thing, if him daughter the name of a person who get the umbrella, it's never come. We won't even when we know say the little girl get the umbrella for sure. We won't even know say is the best friend, is the woman best friend. Daughter get the umbrella. So it's a good thing he come up as well. Cause if he didn't come up,
he come out. Yeah.
Because remember I know, and say the crocodile say she phoned the little girl father, and we all everybody I said then you come like you have number for everybody. Like for your number in the yellow pages.
Yes.
You know?
You was saying all of that.
You know?
You're skilling not just go and put anything you suspect. Put up picture draw people, bro. Picture draw people.
Let's say,
so put up
watch me and the jump queen.
They can't come scare you.
Watch me and the jump queen. Give me the jump queen sometime.
Give me the jump queen sometime. Tiger, so you put them picture in their head, then think they can come and scare you. If you tell us them must sue you and all these things, but they don't understand, so we know the law.
Don't know if you frightened. Right now, what me want to come tell we, cause this brother, I don't want to look on this another way. A 12-year-old is a baby, you know, brother. Especially a little 12, you know. Go see how no scare the youth. Go see how the youth terrified. That's how the youth can't rest. The youth can't rest. How no mash up the youth meds. You know, mash up in spirit. Him can't rest. I wanna go get a beating from Jamaica and tell you that to the youth. And him a go rest, you know. Him a go rest in peace. Watch the drama. Him a go rest in peace. Yeah, man. Him a go rest in peace.
He must have dreamed enough people who know him though. He must have dreamed enough people close to him. He must have dreamed them say he want to rest. He must have dreamed them.
Of course. Me say, when the person said to me, say, oi, stop follow the media. The person said, Tiger, stop follow the media. Jayden get a message. The one a little Caesar say him to come over Mega Mart. That's why Jayden never sit down for name off his food. And the principal confirmed that. The principal said eat a lot. And when them check the footage, him still carry food with him. And not carry food. And him go out in the rain. Even the dirty crocodile say, you might wonder where Jayden are going in the rain. So you see at every movement in a rush because he
get scared and jot himself. I want to never see how close you get and start giving information smart. Like yesterday we keep saying the principal have to be the one away give him the message. You look like he get scared and start lego information.
But hear this now. I'm not lying now, and obviously this is my own opinion, so I'm not gonna say this is factual. But I just feel like the principal is more the grandfather. I'm not gonna tell you know why. Give me a second, I'm telling you know why me. Feel say principal and not the little boy father. I feel say principal and the little boy grandfather. You know why I'm telling you why? Okay, look on life. We have a reason upon life now. Let's say, just word speaking, let's say the hyena and Fallen Gabriel did there. And she have a picnic for Fallen Gabriel. Just say the picnic for Fallen Gabriel. See? No, she got America. Listen to me, Kenny. You know. She got America. She find a little man. She give the Fallen Gabriel picnic to the little man. And she and the little man did it. You think, say, we know say mankind dread. We know say mankind wicked. But you really believe, say, she and Gabriel know say that picnic is for Gabriel. And then she and her new husband will come to Gabriel yard, come keep baby shower for the picnic for Gabriel. Me not, no matter how she brave, me not think so. That is the reason why I do not believe.
Grandfather.
I do not believe. That's the reason. I am explaining why I do not believe it is Gabriel. Because I've been telling you all this time, say me not believe it's Gabriel Pitney. Me I telling you. But normally, I never explain to you why me don't believe Gabriel Pitney. So me I explain to you because most of the things them are come out now. So that is the whole reason why I never believe say Gabriel Pitney, because me I said me know say mankind wicked. Me said that in the first instance. Mankind is dead. But can you imagine she and Gabriel know say the Pitney are fig Gabriel. And she gonna bring back her new husband now, come in a Gabriel yard, come keep baby shower. Me don't think she'll do that. That's just my opinion. Me don't think she'll do it. And that's why I've never said the Pitney for Gabriel. And that's why I feel say anybody after Gabriel, Shanice after Gabriel. Come. So I don't know if that makes sense too, no, but that's my belief. Guys, let me tell you something. We're not finished yet enough.
Makes sense.
People, me I beg you who can manage to do it. Please, guys. We still need the PI. We guys, we can't tap on it. What me just see Michelle look while. Michelle, can tell the people about the PI for me, please and thanks. Me I go mute, guys. I'm going to switch over the device because I go up on the road. Michelle, can tell the people me.
People, we get close to the case. Never been so closer. So right now is the best time for the PI. So if you want the full case over and done within the next month, just build up the kitty and make we move forward. Because right now everything coming out is the best time we need the PI right now because people talking. So now is the time.
So look at some more information. Some more information.
Yes. So people, please. Who have little bit help? Me know some people flushy can just give one little 8 grand and one little 10 grand. Do it if you can. Thanks.
Yeah, good day again, everyone. Everyone that is on the stream right now, right? We have a private. We are trying to get a private investigator, but as you can see that we have a lot of information, right? But we need a private investigator to close the case, right? To put everything together. So if you're on the live and you want to donate, you can click my bio, right? Just click into my bio, or you can click into the host bio, right? And you will see a link. Just click the link and it will send you straight over to the GoFundMe. The GoFundMe is there to raise funds for a private investigator, right? So if you're on the live, right, and you have the funds or the art leader to give, you can just click in the bio, my bio, or click in the host bio, right? Just click on the link and it will send you straight over to the GoFundMe. The GoFundMe is there, so in terms of the funds and everything, you will see people who already donate and you will see the amount that is there, right? So just do likewise if your art push you, right? Because you can see that we're here for Jayden Smith and I want to close this case, right? So if your art lead you, right, just go to the link and donate. Thank you. We truly appreciate it, right? We truly appreciate it. So if your heart lead you, right, and if you need this case to just go straight through and done away with, just help us to get the private investigator, right? And as for me, as you can see, these people have been carrying us around, right, leading us to a lot of stuff, right, that is not true, right? They come out with a lot of false information, right? But as you can see now, right, people in the community is giving information, yeah? People in the community is fed up of everything to know that it is a